Hi everyone, today I want to show you some few websites that can help you daily workflow as a developer and designer. And I know every one of you is using skill, but having a well structured and good skill.md file improve your design and overall front-end task much better than an ordinary skill.md file that you are using. So today I will show you all the gems that you are missing. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So this is the first one, get design.md, and it has so many skill.md file, okay, and it has categories as well, developer tools and backend, so MongoDB also, design and creative, Figma, Clay, Airtable, e-commerce, okay, Meta. So what you can do, let's say I click on Apple, I can see the design here, the colors and the font, and it also adds some buttons like how it will look like if you apply or use that MD file. And this is some section reference, which is cool. And how you can get it, I think if you just you can just click on there, you can use the CLI or copy this, and you can request private design MD file. So if I click on that, you have to pay for that, so we will not do that. And if I go to the second tools, I have this one, design extractor, and everything here is free, completely free. So let's say you want to copy the linear brand design system. So what you can do, you can just copy this MD file or download it. It has all the color, font, and this is the tailwind version, this is the CSS, and this is a design token, okay. So you can copy this. I think they can improve or add some reference how the section will look like. Okay, it will be easy to understand. And if you go to the stripe, the new stripe basically, okay, it's just the color and all, but this is basically the design MD. So yeah, that's it. And if I go to Apple, so this looks nice, and I believe they are using their own tool to create the website. The whole website is vibe coded, okay. The whole website. And since the reason I understand is this is the big font, right? So you can use font bold when the text is big, huge, but you cannot add font bold when the text is not that huge. You can add like font medium. You can't even also use font semi bold when you're using font Poppins or font inter, okay. You cannot do that because that looks really odd. So this one, and if I go to this stage.skills, is fully byte coded, and the skill they have is for you guys, okay. It's definitely for you guys. So if I click on this font and scale, and it will take you to the GitHub page. If I go to the code, so this is the skill. They have tons of things, okay. So this is the design variance, motion intensity, visual okay, visual and CSS, typography, okay, no inter font, okay, they are not using inter, geast outfit Satoshi, font Satoshi, cool. And for motion intensity, what they can do, okay, hover state, okay, they had the transition. I think they can add something like the scale. When we click on the button, it will have like scale 0.9, like when it's active, when we are actively clicking on the button, it will be good. It looks nice, okay, and cool. And if I check others as well, maybe audit, let's see, redesign skill, okay, the redesign skills, it has layout. This is the layout. Using height for full screen section, replace with mirror to prevent layout jumping from mobile browser, cool. Interactive state, no hover state buttons, and background shift slide. This one I'm talking about, this one, okay. Add a subtle scale 0.98 or translate y on pressed, so that it feels like physical click, okay. That's what I'm talking about. And this all. So the video will be simple and short, okay. I'm not like taking more of your time. It's just simple video from where you can find the skill.md file, nothing else. And this one is my favorite, new one. So if you go there, you can see they have tons of things there. So I believe this MD file definitely will be useful. Okay, and if I compare this one with this one, so did you see it just finished, but when I go there it has everything. Okay, everything literally for Tailwind version 4, and this is the CSS, and this is a do and don't. I think it looks really long because of this CSS and Tailwind. If I try to check in depth, let's see the sticky product submenu. Yeah, I think it's pretty much it. Yeah, this is the responsive one, maybe dimension and all. No, this is the spacing. Okay, cool. And this is the colors. Okay, so it has bunch of colors, the gradient, including gradient, which is good. So I think this one would be really helpful for everyone who try to create stunning design using AI. Okay, or who try to create design that doesn't look like AI slop. So that's it. Let me know which one is your favorite. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and don't forget to check my component library UI layout. See you in the next video.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.